Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something practical. How to find a vehicle's registered owner using its VIN. Whether you're buying a used car, dealing with an insurance claim, or just curious, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, what's a VIN? It's short for Vehicle Identification Number, a unique 17-digit code that serves as the DNA of your vehicle. You can find it etched on the driver's side dashboard, inside the door jamb, or even on your registration papers. It's essential for tracking vehicle history, so make sure you have it handy. Now, onto the steps. Step 1. Locate and verify the VIN. Double-check that you've got the correct number to avoid any mix-ups. Step 2. Understand the legal side. Due to privacy laws like the Driver's Privacy Protection Act in the US, you can't always access owner details freely. This info is often protected to prevent misuse, so be prepared for limitations. Step 3. Use online databases. Services like Carfax, AutoCheck, or the National Insurance Crime Bureau's website can pull up vehicle reports. These might reveal ownership history, but they'll usually cost a small fee and won't always give you the current owner's name directly. Step 4. Tap into government resources. Head to your state's Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) website. Some states allow VIN lookups, but you might need a valid reason, like proving ownership or reporting a crime. If you're in another country, check local motor vehicle agencies. Step 5. Consider professional help. If online searches don't cut it, hire a private investigator or use specialized services that have access to more databases. Always ensure you're acting within the law to avoid any trouble. And there you have it. Finding a vehicle's registered owner via VIN isn't rocket science, but it does require caution and the right tools. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly to stay on the right side of the law. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.